Hey everyone, I'm coming to you with this poorly filtered camera. My apologies. So today, in today's lab, we examine NetCat. So what exactly is NetCat? NetCat is the all-powerful Swiss Army knife of communications, in which we will demonstrate one use of NetCat right now, and that is to create a conversation, if you will, between two virtual machine instances. The one on the left, right here, that you see is Callie, okay, and the one on the left is Debian, right here. So what we're going to do is, if we take a look at netcat, we'll do man nc or netcat, and you'll see that it is described as the TCP/IP Swiss Army knife. So it is a simple Unix utility that which reads and writes data across network connections. So you might be wondering, all right, why exactly are we talking about this today? And what does NetCat, if you will, have to do with network forensics? And in terms of network forensics, NetCat is similar to Telnet, in which it's able to send the actual payload unencrypted. We're able to see the actual plain text, which allows us to expressly see the packets more clearly. So let's try it out. So obviously, I wouldn't. I just I oh cleat. I said cleat. Let's go ahead and let's try. Let's establish a an actual netcat connection. And as you can see, we're doing NC space dash LVP 4444. So what this means is that the dash LVP, those are actual flags that are set, and the P specifically means by port number, and we can actually see if we do man NC again, and we can see the options right here. We have numeric only IP addresses, no DNS, and we have dash P is port, local port, okay? And so that's just some of the flag meanings. Sorry about this. So what we're going to do is, one thing is that we are going to take a look at, we can do sudo ifconfig to take a look at our IP address. As you can see, it is 192.168.1.18. Okay, and then what we can do is we can actually, if we follow the lab right here, and I actually create a little PowerPoint right here. So this is the NetCat dangers. What is NetCat? A simple Unix utility on machine A. So this is machine A, which is on the right-hand side. That's the Debian machine. And then we have machine B. So machine A is the Debian machine, and machine B is the Kali machine in this case. So on machine A, we're going to open up a terminal, and we're going to start a netcat listener on port 4444 using NC-LVP with 4444 as the port. So we're going to do NC-LVP, okay, and we're going to use 4044 as our port number. So that turns this Debian server, that is this one right here on the right hand side, into just a generic listening server, and we're going to be a client of it on this side, the Kali side. Okay, so we are going to run the command. Let's work. My apologies. We are going to run the command NC, and then we're going to put in the IP address, and then we're going to do 4444 on the Cali side. So we're going to say NC, and then of course the IP address of the Debian server, which is 192.168.1.18, and then we're going to specifically reference the port that the Debian server had open, which is 4444. We're going to press enter, and now we're in the position to actually send our Debian machine messages. So we could say the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Enter, and then we can see that the Cali machine sent the client machine this message. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And then we can say what, and then the server says what kind of dog is it? And then the Cali server can say why it's a pug, of course. And then this one says, wow, pugs must be pretty lazy. Okay, so that is a conversation that each of them are having in the background. Or it's a conversation each of them are having together. Now the forensics part is the idea is of the fact that we can sniff the network and sniff out the packets. So we can say session, new tab, and then Wireshark. And then we can start our Wireshark. Click on ETH0. This is of course on the Cali virtual server. Okay, now as you can see, Wireshark is going. And we can say there are many types of pugs, mostly fawn and black. Okay, so that message was sent, and we're going to give it another couple seconds, and we're going to stop sending the message, and then we can say, for example, TCP dot port, and instead of saying equals 80, we could say TCP dot port, and we can trace it to, we can utilize the port we specified, 4444, and then we can press the filter button right here, and here is, we can click on either one of these, and actually we don't even need to do that. We can just click on one of them, go to analyze, follow TCP stream, and we can see that we can capture the message that we sent during the Wireshark capture, which are there are many types of pugs, mostly fawn and black.